Hey, hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about something a little bit different. Actually, this is gonna be more like a little informational video or like a little tutorial. Basically what I want to talk about in this video is the problems that I used to have with my LED strip. I showed you the LED strip in my room tour video that I made recently. Since I put that LED strip on the wall, I had huge problems with it and I finally sold it. So if maybe someone else has the exact same problem, this video maybe will help you, and if it does, I'm gonna be pretty happy about that. So when you buy one of these, they're gonna be usually packed up in a package like this, and they're gonna be rolled over this plastic thing, circle, whatever you want to call it. And then when you take it out of the box and unroll it, from the other side of the LED strip there's gonna be the tape that you take off, and then the other side of that tape is gonna be sticky. And I don't know what is that supposed to hold, but whatever people put it on, it just doesn't fucking work, like 90% of the time. Maybe it's gonna hold on some really soft surfaces, but putting that sticky part onto a wall and expecting that that's gonna hold the tape, that's just the biggest mistake I fucking made. I lost so many nerves with this LED strip and it's been such a pain in the ass, and I just didn't know what to do. You know, when I taped it onto a wall, it held for like 2 or 3 days, maybe a week, and then what's interesting is that that sticky part stayed on the wall, but the tape actually fell off that two-way sticky tape and it just fell off the wall. And I was like, excuse me, what the fuck? Then I tried so many different things. I tried two-way tapes that are stronger. Then that didn't work, and then I even tried to use like a spongy two-way tape that is extra strong, and I taped it to that already two-way strong tape, and I taped two-way tapes, and one of them was extra strong, and I put it onto a wall, and that also held for like a month, maybe a little bit less. Even though I was repairing it every single day, I had to climb on the table every day and just repair it with my hands. It would constantly fall off, and then one day it just fell off completely and I was so fucking pissed. Then what I decided to do was the real solution. So let me show you what I did. Alright, well, here we are. Voice is different because this is the sound from my Thai IT5 Edge, so sorry if the audio is shitty, but let me show you what I did here actually. Alright, so this is the tape inside this little aluminium canal. So what I did is actually bought those little canals and this plastic cover, but it's clear so the light can go through it, and that's what I did. I just simply put some screws on it, made the hole in those little canals, and put the LED stripe through these canals, and now it's screwed onto a wall, and yeah, it holds. I got no problems with that shit anymore. It stains perfectly, it's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, let me show you a little bit. So that's the best solution probably. Alright, so that was it for this video. Like I said, it's gonna be short, just a little informational video on how I fixed my problem. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, it's perfectly okay. and join my Chris Facebook group. Link is down below in the description. I post all kind of stuff over there, including a bunch of memes. I mean, who doesn't love memes? Come on. And if you have any questions, leave them on my ass.fm. Link is also down below in the description. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll definitely see you in the next videos. Chris out.